K-pop, yung, hi, we're ganito. Meron ba? Wala. Wala. Iyak
Hey,
kayo.
we are Cup of Joe.
Oo. We're Cup of Joe. Speaking, natalansi ka na nga ako ng kape doon. My gosh. Oo. But anyway, guys, from Baguio in 2018, how has the ride been?
Ayun po, it was a crazy ride.
Yeah.
Sobrang dami pong nangyari in the span of 6 years.
Oo.
Pero ayun po, it's still the same brothers na I grew up with sa industry.
Grabe. Leading up to this, would you ever imagine na magsusold out kayo ng 2 gabi sa The Big Dome? Parang alam mo yun, it's every artist, seal of approval eh, di ba? Tapos ito 2 nights pa.
Yan, as in never po namin in-imagine. Nung before nga po, parang kinakabahan pa kami na, alam mo, sold out kaya natin yung day 1 natin. Tapos nagulat po kami na like within a couple of hours, like, wow! Parang yung mga ganong klaseng bagay yung never mong may expect na mangyari sa'yo. Pero it did, and we're very thankful na yun, not just 1 but 2 days na mag-perform kami in front of a sold-out audience. It's very humbling din at the same time. Kaya thankful kami sa lahat ng supporters namin na, and see you there.
Guys, where are you based now?
Right now, dito na po sa Manila.
Oo. Ilang taon na kayong naging based dito?
Months pa lang.
Months pa lang po, actually.
Ay,
Yes.
bago. Sasabihin nila, bago salta, parang ganyan. Pero hindi na, di ba? Dahil parang ang dali na rin mag-travel to and from the north.
Yes,
Yes,
po.
po.
Actually, nag-start po kaming nag-travel talaga from Baguio to Manila to
Dati pa.
Yes po, dati po. Tapos ngayon lang po, parang
Natauhan na kayo.
yes po,
na ito
nataon
na yung
na,
kailangan.
na pagod na kami masyado. Parang kailangan na namin magstay dito sa Manila. Ganun.
Oo, di ba? I mean, hello. I'm sure in a week nun, thrice, ilang beses yung pabalik-balik kayo to and from?
Yes po. In a month, average nasa 8 to 10? 8 or to 12.
Tapos uwian
8 to
kayong
12
Baguio o
months.
mag-overnight?
Yes, uwian po lagi.
Bakit?
Ano po kasi, if we're basing it sa last 2 years siguro, most of us kasi graduating students,
Studying.
tapos kami studying. Tapos ayun, ngayon nag-graduate na sila and parang we decided to be full-time musicians na. We decided to...
Alam mo, mahirap yun kasi kanina parang I overheard nag-stop kayo, tama ba? Parang it's in a pause, hindi stop, it's in a pause, right? What are you guys taking up right now? And when did you realize na, hey, parang viable na mag-pause muna tayo from studies?
Ako po, nag-start kasi siya last year yun, di ba? Last year po kasi, Sen and I are in our 5th year in dentistry. And then, nasaktuhan dun yung parang 3 to 4 times a week kaming wala kasi meron kaming gig dito sa Manila. It came to a point na parang we're just really stressing ourselves out for nothing kasi like nagbabayad kami ng tuition pero hindi namin napapasukan. So parang it became very tiring and draining din sa amin physically and mentally, kaya we decided to pause.
Sa experience ko naman po, same na ganun din po yung sobrang dami na ang nahihirapan ng i-juggle. And parang ang sakit din sa puso na parang half-heart ko lang yung efforts ko sa parang music, ganun. Kasi it's the thing that I want to do talaga, yung passion ko. Kaya yung point na yun, parang ko, like, go all in. And kasi this is what I love to do.
Sobrang ganda ng mga songs ninyo. And how do you collaborate dito?
Actually po yung mga songs na nasa album is matagal ng mga nasulat. Parang dumating lang talaga yung tamang time for it to be released na siguro. Tsaka ayun, parang pinagsama-sama na namin siya kasi ayun rin naman yung gusto naming direction ng album namin.
Actually, sobrang ganda ng mga songs ninyo. Sobrang catchy. And I know na-enjoy siya sa ilang series sa Viva One. Tama ba?
Yes.
Diba? Kaya, oh my God, sobrang familiar ako sa Cup of... As a tita. O, diba? Pero who makes your songs? What's inspiring you guys to write it? And kanina nga, they were commending yung dalang lalim ng Filipino na ginagamit nyo rito. When we're in the cusp of hindi na marunong mag-Tagalog yung mga bata.
Yes po. Well, basing on our recent project po, the album was written by the five of us and yung brother niya po.
Yeah. Si
Yeah.
Kuya Red, what's up sa'yo?
Oo, actually talaga.
Ayun po. And then yung inspiration namin in writing those songs are experiences from different parts of our lives na umakma dun sa story na gusto namin ilabas, which is the 5 stages of grief. Kaya yun.
Bakit? Namatayan na ba kayo?
Yeah, parang we've all experienced some type of loss.
Tapos, like,
Okay lang umiyak.
ay. Hindi, for example, yung one of our oldest song, like, the inspiration behind it is someone close to me passing away. So it's a great example for all the griefs we experience. Not only the loss of a loved one, loss of a career, loss of a love life. Everyone experiences grief. So we wanted to focus on those topics.
And that's beautiful. Pero ito pala, gaano kayo ka-proud na parang napapansin ko ang daming na-discover sa Baguio. Di ba, ano ba meron? Sa session road ba to? Paano ba na-develop tong artist na to? Dahil parang gold mine ng OPM stars ang Baguio.
Actually, yung sa Baguio, yung sa music scene, ang dami ng talaga ang dami ng magaling talaga, even before pa talaga. Parang siguro ngayon mas nagkaroon lang ng exposure, ganun. Parang mas na-discover sila doon kasi nga yun, sa social media, ganun. And yun sa mga ibang mga ibang production na na nagagawa rin doon na showcase din yung talent sila. So yun.
Pero kayo, saan kayo namulat sa Baguio na 'di ba, talagang to hone your skills and be artists?
I mean, on a personal level po, I think nag-start naman na yun when we were young. Pero siguro nakakatulong din po yung atmosphere ng Baguio because Baguio is called the creative city in the north. So parang maganda po na nung senior high kami na-expose kami sa city na napaka nagbavalue sa arts, nagbavalue sa creativity. Kaya ayun po, I think isang factor din.
Nakaka-proud, di ba? Nakaka-proud. Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you so much.
Hindi ko pa nga tinanong anong aasahan sa Feb 8 and 9 pala. Ano ba to? Kasi Viva to, mounted by Viva. Ano yung tech? Meron bang anong klaseng concert ba ito? May light show ba? Straight up music? Anong trip natin dito?
The Silakbo concert will be an experience.
End to end. End to end.
Ayun po, same as last year, it will be directed by Direct Paolo Valenciano. So, yun palang guaranteed na yung mga visuals niya. And all, pati yung direction mismo. Musical director po namin, si Sir Sam De Leon, Ken Umahon, tsaka si Bluster. And ayun po, in terms of the concert flow naman, meron kami mga gagawin na di pa namin ginawa before. Yeah. Pero at the same time, we're gonna give homage sa aming beginnings. And sa aming future. Wow! And yun, maraming surprise.
Alright. Thank you so much. Kuha tayo ng signals. Wait, isang last year, nag-sold out din kayo.